TikTok is an amazing platform for affiliate marketers and the reach is insane. And in this video, I show you how to set up your TikTok affiliate marketing business. These are the things we are going to cover in this video. First, I show you an example offer. Then I show you the strategy to promote this offer on TikTok. The next is your TikTok channel. And then I show you how to create videos and how to search trending videos so you can recreate them. After that, I show you my TikTok channel and everything in action. This strategy is a real example and you can follow along. You can do exactly the same and I show you how to do it and where to get all this in this video. First, the offer. The offer we are going to promote is this 90-minute affiliate challenge. It's completely for free and it's an affiliate marketing training by Brian Brewer. If someone goes here and clicks on this button, you enter with name and email and then you get the free access. If you do so, you get to this page over here, to the 90-minute affiliate challenge with the 8 secrets Brian is going to tell you. And these secrets made him $400,000 last year. This 90-minute affiliate challenge, these 8 videos are completely free. And I show you in the strategy part how you could make money with this free offer. And if you want to partner with Brian, there will be a link in the description. Then go over here to secret number 8. Brian shows you how you can use exactly this system I'm showing you to make money on your own. So now to the strategy. It looks a little bit complicated, but it isn't complicated at all. I explain you everything step by step. First, we have TikTok as our traffic source. And from there, there's the optional part. I show you that later. We go direct from TikTok to the video. The video is this page over here. And if someone registers, Brian gets the email address. They go to the free training and learn the 8 secrets. After the free training, there is an advanced training. So this is the 90-minute challenge, but there is a whole course, an advanced course after that, where Brian is mentoring you and shows you a lot more tactics. And this is how you make money. So someone goes to the free training and decides, yeah, Brian is a cool guy, I want to learn from him. And this is the way I want to make money online and I want to learn from Brian. Then you go to the advanced training and you get money if they purchase this. And Brian does all the follow-up for you. So you get emails from Brian to go back to the free training or to the advanced trainings on how to make money with affiliate marketing. And you can put in an optional step. Brian explains you how to do this in his affiliate resources. If you join the opportunity, you go from TikTok to your own opt-in page. And then you have a lead and you can add that to your list. You don't have to promote a course that someone has to pay on TikTok. You promote free training. Everybody who is interested in this gets a free training. Then you have the lead and you have the email address. And then you can send them back always to this free training. And if they like the free training and want to continue with Brian, it goes along the path and you get your commission. The beauty with the optional opt-in page is you have the email address, and after sending them back to the offer from Brian, you know that they are interested in affiliate marketing and making money online. But you can also send them other offers. There are a lot of offers that come after that first training. For example, if they need tools, if they need a funnel builder. And with this email sequence, you can send them email if you want every day and give them tips, value, how to start, what products they can promote, should promote, what tools they should use, and you can send them always back to different offers. So now you understand the strategy. To the next step. The next step is your TikTok account. Go to Google and search TikTok, or go in your App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok and download the app. And on your desktop, you go to log in and make a new sign up. I would start a new channel. If you're not already on a Making Money channel or affiliate marketing channel, start a new one, so the algorithm already knows from the first video who are the people you want to target. TikTok is geo-focused, so it will target the people in your region. If you're from Germany, it will target Germany and maybe other German-speaking parts like Austria or Switzerland. If you're from the United Kingdom, your content will be mainly shown in the United Kingdom and so on. So keep that in mind. If you want to target the United States, you need a US SIM card when you create your account. Sign up. You can do this. It's not hard to sign up. And choose a creator account. With a creator account, you need 1,000 followers before you are able to put in a link. There is normally a link, but I can't click it here on my own dashboard. On the mobile version, it's perfectly fine, or if someone else clicks on this, they will see the link as well. So you need 1,000 followers before you can add your links. And to get to your 1,000 followers, you need to make content. Give your prospect value. Talk about affiliate marketing. Why is affiliate marketing great? Search other channels, search the hashtag affiliate marketing, and I show you the trending videos for your niche and how you can recreate them in a minute. First, I want to show you this one. If you're on a desktop, I have here my Chrome browser. There's an add-on, sort for TikTok, start, and for the channel you are at the moment, it will sort your videos from the most viewed to the least viewed. So you see, I have here a video on my channel with over 500,000 views. And when you start, there are also videos with a lot less views. And why to start with the creator account? Because you can start a business account as well and put your link in from your first minute. But with the creator account, you have much more music, much more trending sound, and you learn how to make videos that people want to watch. If you know how to make the videos and if you know how to get the views, it's easier to build your audience, to connect with them. So to get to your 1,000 followers is your learning phase for TikTok. I wouldn't just jump over that learning phase. To find the trending videos and to see my funnel in action, we need to go to TikTok on my phone. So I have to change the format and show you a screen record. So we are now on TikTok on my profile. You see the link over here. And to find the trending videos, you have to go to Friends.
Your website shows 7.
Search. Then we search for affiliate marketing. And we want the videos with affiliate marketing. Then we go to these two lines over here and search for this month and most liked and apply. And now we have the top performing videos. You see, this video has over 700,000 likes. This has 650,000 likes. So let's watch it.
The world's shittiest side hustle. Don't believe me? Let me show you.
Watch the whole video and then make your recreation of this trending video. Don't copy it step by step and word by word. Just make it yours. Make it your style. Now I'll show you everything in action. So you have the video. If someone watches a video and goes to my profile, they go over here to the link. Click on this link. They want the free training. Then they get to my bridge page where they get the free training. Enter name and email, click on submit. Then I have a video from me with a welcome and access to the training. Click over here and you are on the page we saw from Brian. And the next step is to click here to go to the training, or if you have it already, log in as existing member. If you want to use the same offer, the same method I'm using, there's a link down in the description, and I haven't told you the potential earnings. So if someone signs up for Brian's advanced training, you earn about $400. So it's not bad to promote a free course and earn $400 in return. But this offer was just an example for affiliate marketing on TikTok. You can use other offers. There are a lot of people that promote Amazon products on their TikTok channel. Make sure to watch this video next, because this video is a step-by-step guide on how to make money on TikTok with Amazon affiliate marketing.